What's going on? It's Bobby K. I want to show you another front yard renovation that might be the perfect template for you and your home. And it focuses more on a decorative gravel, some hardscaping, and just very, very low maintenance, so that if you're a very busy professional, you got kids, you got just things that you want to do other than landscaping, this might be a perfect template for you. Let's go. Okay, here's the landscape design that's got a combination of decorative gravel, and then it has a brand new updated front stoop walkway. Whole point is there is a lot of busy people in this world. You might be one of them. Kids, professional, retired. Like, it doesn't matter. If you don't want to do a bunch of stuff, decorative gravel could be a great option. And listen, this started with a landscape design plan. Every single thing you see on this channel starts with a design plan. Everything you see on Instagram more than likely started with a plan. Get a plan. If you're going to do an outdoor living space, a front yard renovation, even if it's small, big, doesn't matter. Get a plan. That way you are set up to win, your contractor's set up to win, and you're not guessing the whole time. That's the whole point of a plan. So let's break this down. Let's talk about this. We've got some very low maintenance plantings, okay? We got a Muggle pine, it's a dwarf, red twig dogwoods. I love that red stem. Leaves go off and it looks good in the winter. We've got a globe spruce. This will grow up and it'll be about here. So it's a cute little intimate tree. And then we just got some simple grasses. We've got some fescue here. These could be hamlins, and a beautiful paver walkway inlet with an inlay. This is by County. This is called Influence. It's in the color Vision, and this color is called Beacon. And the first thing I want to talk about with all of this is the color theme and the architecture of the house. They have a really nice updated garage doors, which made me feel like this is a very kind of zen, modern, clean look, which is why we went with right return angles, right? Straight lines. And then we went with a pretty modern cap and block there. And the colors go with the architecture of the house. So you've got low maintenance plantings. We have two different colored gravels. We've got an updated walkway versus the concrete little thing that got put up there. You pop that out. This is totally worth the investment. It totally makes the front. And then everything is lit up with landscape lights. So you're looking at the architecture, you're playing off the theme of the house, you're playing off colors. You're not doing mulch because you got to replace mulch every year, but you could do mulch as one of these and then do gravel as another. But if you want something completely 100% no maintenance, this is definitely a layout that could work for you. And if you wanted to make it a little less poppy, you take out the white rock and put the gray in, and you have both of the same color. It's not as blingy. This is pretty darn stark, like bing. It does go with the trim of the house. That little feature right there, the white gets pulled from that, the gray gets pulled from the garage door. But it's a nice, easy design, okay? You want something a little bit more complicated, a little bit more gusto in it, go check out this video right here. That's a really cool one. And remember, always start with the design plan. If you're interested, go on the links below. I'm happy to help. Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create. See you on the next video.
Never stop, forget it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got